Hello guys, and welcome to this video where I'm going to be showing you how to generate avatar on Leonardo. So the first thing you have to do is what I usually do is to go to the home page of Leonardo AI and click on the avatar on the character section. Once I click on it, I can have a preview or an overview of how I would love my character to be, or find ideas for it. Now once I get a good idea or I see something appealing, I can now I like this, so I can click on it to see more information about it. And once I click on it, I can see the image properly, also see the negative prompts and see the prompts used to create the image. And from there I can copy the image, I can copy the prompt and edit it to suit my own purpose. Or I can also go and click on the this image option. This would enable me to generate my own image, and once I click on it, it will bring me to a web page like this, and I will have to input my own prompt and choose my model or presets, and then choose my style. For avatar creation, it depends on the purpose, but I like to leave my own in cinematic keynote mode. This makes it realistically cinematic, and I can also choose my style. I've chosen portrait for this. You can also scroll down to choose your image dimension and or aspect ratio, and you can also choose how many number of images you'd like for it to download or to load. So that is it. Thank you very much, and well